So hi, I am Ashutosh Bogra.
I'm Karan Kochar.
We are both real estate agents dealing in South Delhi mainly and doing mainly luxury residential real estate. And I'd like to introduce him. He's a very successful real estate agent. We have closed a lot of deals together. He's closed some very high value deals in Lutyens, Defcol, Jangpura, and all over the place. And he does very good business. Highly recommend it.
And I can say even more for Ashutosh. Ashutosh have done a lot of good deals, high value deals also in Kings Court, GK2, GK1, Gulmohar Park, Niti Bagh. That's what I know of. But let's not get into the mutual respect thing and let's talk something sensible and something useful for you. And
let's not make it about us.
Yes.
So good. So today we wanted to discuss quickly on how do you value an old floor. Like in South Delhi we have builder floors. So how do you value a used builder floor? A new builder floor is quite easy. We know, okay, every builder is asking, for example, 10 crores or 6 crores or whatever. We know, but how do you value a used floor, especially when it is 5 years old or 3 years old or 10 years old or 8 years old? So there is a particular way that it is done, the way I do it, the way he does it. Let us see, maybe it is the same, maybe not. We'll discuss that. So how would you value, for example, should we just take an example?
Sure.
So let us say there is a builder floor which is 300 square yards builder floor in Greater Kailash, and let us say the price of a new one, just for this example and keep the figures round, so that is 5 crores.
Okay.
And now somebody comes to you and he says, I have a floor that I'm living in, and I want to sell it. And what would be your first question?
So the first question that we usually ask is, what is the age of the building? So if, depending on the age of the building and the amenities available, obviously the price will go up and down.
So let us say it is a similar thing as a new builder floor. It is a nicely maintained property, but it was built in 2015, not 2016. So let's say 5 years old.
Okay.
And a similar new property in the similar location is for 5 crores. Yeah. And so you look at it and it's fairly nice. Of course, for this example, we cannot show you a property because it's just all made up.
We can put some pictures.
We can put some pictures maybe, yeah. But समझ लो it is same. आपको same लग रहा है, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक लग रहा है. हाँ, थोड़ा पेंट पॉलिश कराना पड़ेगा. शायद आज बाथरूम ज़्यादा अच्छा बनता होगा, उसमें थोड़ा सा कम है, लिफ्ट थोड़ी पुरानी है, पर कोई बात नहीं, 5 साल ही हुए हैं. जनरली कितनी वैल्यू होगी उसकी?
So as a thumb rule, how I try to take it as, if there is not a lot of wear and tear in the building, especially in the common area, to me maintenance of the common area is prime most. So as you enter the building, how well the stilt is maintained, how well the staircase is maintained, how the lift is operating, let's say after 4-5 years, and even the lift is it's of a branded quality or it's from a local manufacturer. So these things really matter.
Let us say they're all fine and it is very similar to what you get on a new builder floor today.
So on a thumb rule, I'll take it as somewhere about, let's say, 2 to 2.5% per year decline from a newer property. So as you are saying, let's say if it's for 5 CR, so
5 CR is the value of a new builder floor today, not at the price they bought or whatever. That could be 2 crores or 10 crores, doesn't matter.
See, anytime you will buy or sell a property, it has to be that time market price.
Yes.
So it can't be an ancient price. My father bought it for X price, I don't know.
For the sake of this example, I just want it to be very clear to the viewers also कि भाई आज की डेट में 5 करोड़ का फ्लोर है. Today the value of a builder floor like that is 5 crores. This floor is 5 years old and everything is fine. There is no negative, like major negative. It's just a little bit wear and tear is there and it's well maintained.
So let's say it should be somewhere in the range of, let's say, 10 to 12.5% discount from the today's market or today's brand new floor. So let's say the today's market price is 5 CR as you are saying. So the older floor somewhere should be in the range of 425 to 450.
425, 450, right. I would also probably give the same figure because you need to understand a new builder floor and an old builder floor cannot be sold or nobody is going to buy them at the same value. If today a new builder floor is for 5 and your floor and somebody is selling his builder floor, which is 5 years old or 2 years old or 1 year old, it will not sell for exactly the same price. It will be slightly lesser from the from the price of a new builder floor today. तो आज अगर 5 का है तो 5 से तो कम हो गई होगा.
हाँ, देखो वो होता क्या है, योर थिंग यू ऑलवेज लाइक. सो इफ आई हैव बॉट अ बिल्डर फ्लोर 5 years ago एंड आई हैव केप्ट इट वेरी नाइसली, इम्पेकेबल कंडीशन, तो मैं तो हमेशा आपको यही कहूँगा कि देखो मेरा तो बिल्कुल नए के जैसा है, बिल्कुल नए के जैसे, और नए में देयर विल ऑलवेज बी सम प्राइस डिफरेंस.
I would respect that. There are advantages to an old floor also. Like it's already tested for 5 years. You can see if there is seepage, what kind of people are already living, and all that. But let's just keep this to more to valuation. तो आपने कहा 4.5 सवा 4 के आसपास, 4.25 4.5 compared to 5 today. How do we arrive at that figure? My evaluation is the same. Generally.
So I'm saying that, see, in a 1 or 2 years older property, it might not apply, but let's say for anything which is about 4-5 years old, I take it 2 to 2.5% depreciation from the today's price every year. So per annum it's 2 to 2.5%. So for 5 years it's say 10 to 12.5%.
Yeah, I would take 10 to 15% depending on how nice the building is. And provided, I mean, कुछ नया नहीं आ गया, जैसे बीच में स्टिल्ट पार्किंग आ गई थी, so such kind of a dramatic development would be an exception. फिर तो फर्क बढ़ जाएगा.
So I was coming to that point only. So let's say if the age of the building is, let's say, 10 years or more, so precisely if we'll say 2010 or floors which were built before 2010, so the difference was stilt parking. So then that time we used to have the driveway parking. So in that you'll get one parking in the driveway, you need to do your cars back and forth. So if that building is, let's say, 2009 or pre
2011 maybe,
yeah, or to not to confuse in the year, let's say pre stilt area.
So the stilt parking came somewhere around 2010, let us just say. अगर उसके बाद का है तो वैल्यू डिफरेंट है, अगर उससे 1 साल भी पहले है तो वैल्यू में ज़्यादा फर्क आ जाएगा. ये परसेंटेज आर्बिट्रेरी है, मतलब हमने अपने आप ही बनाया है, ऐसा कोई मार्केट का रूल नहीं है कि 2.5-3% ही होता है या 5% होता है या 2% होता है. बट वी आर जस्ट सेइंग कि अगर हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो शायद 5 साल पुराना 10-15% सस्ता बिकता है नए से. और वी कैन देन से okay, so if we divide it by 5 years, it comes to around 2 to 3% maybe, something like 2.5% maybe, and it's a good way to look at it. अच्छा, तो एक तो ये हो गया, तो ये हमने कहा कि बिल्कुल एक जैसे हैं भाई, नए के जैसा ही है और ऐसा है. और समझ लो सिर्फ 1 साल पुराना होता, ठीक है, पर यूज्ड होता, would it sell for 5 crores?
No, it won't.
It won't. Okay, how much would it sell for then?
See, for a 1 year or 2 year old, as I've said earlier as well, it's difficult to give a percentage. You have to see, actually, even let's say for a 1-2 year property, if it was not properly made and there are clear sign of seepage, or maybe the owners haven't maintained it very nicely, even for that property the discount could be anywhere from, let's say, 10 to 30-40 lakh rupees. So that is actually depending case to case. You can't really go to.
Yeah. Let us just say there is no major infrastructure kind of.
Still, anybody will look for, let's say, about 20-25 lakh rupees of discount to go for a older floor.
Right. पर ऐसा भी हो सकता है. For example, say there is no new builder floors available in the market, and I am the only one selling my builder floor, which is like a year old, but it is as good as new. Or I am at a location जहाँ पे सब मांग रहे हैं पर मिल नहीं रहा types, And then I say कि भाई अच्छा. Apparently the value for a new one is 5, but they're all under construction. Mine is ready. I will also give it 5. तो हो सकता है 5 हो जाए या 4.9 हो जाए या ऐसा भी कुछ हो सकता है.
Suppose real estate never have a MRP. Right. It's all perceived value, right. And it all depends, comes from demand and supply. So if there is no supply, so whatever you demand is the right price. Right.
But there is a limit to it.
So there is a limit to it.
It won't be 6 crores from 5.
So if under construction property is available for 5.25, so you can almost sell it for 5.
Right. Anything else you want to add that helps people understand or value when they go to buy a used floor, or when they're trying to sell a used floor, so they have proper.
So other than the construction thing, obviously the documentation is prime most. So all the chain documents should be in order and should whatever pertaining to that particular floor if you are talking. So things should be original. If there is some lost document or something.
So that is a general thing that applies to all the properties. So मैं used floor के angle से कह रहा हूँ, जैसे मैंने कभी-कभी क्या देखा है, sometimes you would see that there is a builder floor which was built like 2015 or 16, like say 800 square yards.
Okay.
But they did not give a private lift to the floor, which has now become the norm. आई थिंक उसमें भी थोड़ा डिफरेंस बढ़ जाता है ना, या किसी में पार्किंग कम दे दी,
हाँ।
जैसे 800 गज में यू वुड नॉर्मली हैव 4-5 कार पार्क्स विद अ फ्लोर, उसमें 2-3 दे दी, so that would also,
That will also add a premium or a discount to a particular floor.
sometimes you have too much parking with a property. I mean,
So like let's say a thumb rule is you'll get 2 parking. So in case even if you have a still parking, but you're getting instead of 2 you're getting 1. So obviously there have to be a discount. You can't sell it at the same price.
So that would also be factored in a useful. I mean, that would be factored in a new floor also, in a new property also. But I think in used floors the things have been changing slightly. Like the number of parkings per floor have increased. I think in the 5-6 years. पहले थोड़ी कम ही देते थे builders. अब इस तरह से हो गया कि सबके साथ 4-5 गाड़ियों की parking हो गया ना. But these things are very case to case. Generally speaking, if you're trying to value a property which was built in the last say 10 years or so, you could, like, for calculation purposes, say 2.5% a year. It's just a very random thing, but it'll take you, it gives you something, 2 to 3% maybe. If you're a seller, you wanted 2%. If you're a buyer, you wanted 3%. And when I get the deal done, it'll be 2.5%. If we get the deal done,
we'll always get the middle way.
Yeah. Okay, so that's good. Thank you so much. Please put in your comments if there is anything else you would like us to make a video on. You need some more data. Look, we are in the field. हम लोग रोज़ ये कर रहे हैं, रोज़ लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, उनको समझा रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं, and we are also learning. So I mean, if you need the real world scenario instead of just theory that real estate always increases and blah blah blah, it might not be just true. Whatever you need to know, just connect to us. His current coacher, his number is down there in the video. I'm Ashutosh Bogra. My number is also there. Our websites are there, and you're very welcome to contact him or me or any of your trusted brokers and get more answers to any of your questions. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.